welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your username on the Kahoot mobile app. To change your username is quite simple. All you have to do is from the home menu, tap on your profile icon on the top, then tap on the settings, that is the gear icon at the top right corner. Then you can see profile settings, tap on it, and once you've tapped on it, give it a few seconds to load, and then you can see your name. So you tap on the pencil icon next to your name, change your username. Let's say I want my username to just be KC, and once I'm done, before you change your username, you have to do the following. You can only change your username once a year. Your old username will still appear in previous records. So I have 18 characters. So before you can change your username, it must be at least 2, 3, 4, 5 characters, 6 characters. Okay, until you change, it has changed to green. Until this place changes to green, and then you click on change username, and that's it. You can save at the top, and that is all. So you can now leave. It's as simple as that. That is how to change your username on. That's how to change your username on Kahoot app. Now, username is quite different from name. The name is different from the username. So this is my name, me, or my username. When you saw there, my username was the KC edit I wrote on it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.